Hello, sir. Where you at?
Anaheim near the Disney World. Disneyland. ภาพมาเป็นหน่วยสองตัวไป Disneyland.
So we are in Little Saigon. Oh yes. What is this, guys?
It's like the McDonald's here.
I feel like we're back in, Bangkok, guys. With all the no, I miss you guys right now. That's Kailu. Yeah. Everything here. Just gonna eat. So we got the balut egg, guys.
Vietnamese roll. This is spring rolls and some bun guan.
One one. You watch my show, you can do it.
เป็นมาโดนมา
Now, y'all be happy now. You see the background?
Hey everyone, you know the big hype about the In-N-Out burger? I don't know what's so special about it, but my
He got
first try. Let's see what the hype's all about, okay? It's not bad. Okay, this is Lee's #1 combo. $3.99, right? Huge.
Where are you going?
Din Tai Bum, the best soup dumplings.
Alright, y'all, we are now seating after 2.5 hours of waiting at this place.
Menu, so you better know what to order. Here, you look at it. I know. I don't even know where this place is. I don't know the name or nothing. But we've been in Vidtown this whole time we've been here. Y'all listen to this. You hear that, dude? What's that? ASMR? ASMR.
เอาเป็นคนลาวที่มาจากเทนเนสซีเนาะแล้วบางทีผมก็จะลองมัวจะเป็นอะไรนะนี่ก็เป็นชื่อสาวใช่ไหม
แบมบู
แบมบู
ลองเบอร์เอา
หน่อไม้รับตากินหน่อย
Y'all, here we go.
ถึงบ้านดงน้องหลวงแล้ว This is my eating goal.
Oh yeah. No, this is sugar cane with pieces of coconut pieces inside. Yeah, the best of both worlds.
You don't have to go on the cruise.
So I thought Chick-fil-A is busy. Oh no, In and Out, you guys. This is In and Out burger. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm back here at In and Out. For all y'all that said, please try animal style, I came back for the animal style. Let's see how it is.